Hello everybody and welcome to Fat Cat Gaming. Today's video is my first 2020 Madden video of the year. I'm looking forward to Madden 20. How about you? Today's video we're going to be showing off how to control all 32 franchise teams. Yeah, all 32, so that way we can do trades and stuff. But before we do that, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, notification, comment, help get this video viral so that way I can... Yeah. Well, okay, the first thing you need to do is go to the franchise button right here. Now it says cloud and offline. You can't do this on cloud. It does not work on the cloud mode. You have to do it on the offline mode. Just want to make that perfectly clear. Offline is the only way this will work. So go ahead and get there. I'll go ahead and create a new franchise. Use preseason roster, whatever. Now, you can also use an active roster. You can probably download your own custom roster if you like some of the other rosters out there. But for me, for this video, I'm just going to use the quickest way, the preseason roster. As soon as this thing loads. There we go. Just go ahead and pick the Browns, first team there. I'll change this to maybe owner real quick. Yep. Nope, I don't need to change name. Come on. Nope. There we go. Go ahead and start playing. There we go. Heading on into the lead. Be right back. Alright, now that we're inside the franchise, first thing you need to do is the upper right corner, you see a little man with an R3 button. That's your right joystick or your thumbstick or paddle stick, however you guys call it. You want to click that R3 button right there. There we go. Eee, my Madden just sticking. Sorry about that. So you want to go create a new character right here. See, I'm the owner of the Browns right now. Go ahead and click create a character. We're going to go ahead and just pick Tampa Bay. You can pick, go ahead and change rule. Now if you're going to do this 32 times, the advice is when you set up your league setting, just change the rules. Let's see. Go down here. Do they have it in here? League type. Like, just change this to, you want to do all coaches, all players, or all owners. Just change that to whatever league. That way they only give you one choice and it just makes it so much easier. But we'll go ahead and get here. Oh man, why does this keep sticking? There we go. And now I am the owner of the Tampa Bay Buccaneer. Just go ahead and hit that right 3. It's showing you. I'm the owner for the Browns and the owner for the Tampa Bay Buccaneer. You just click on whatever team you need to control. There we go. And now I'm in the Brown screen. So, and then since it's the owner screen, you get the owner menu. So yeah, my team, my owners. So yeah, go ahead real quickly. You can do this for coaches, and there we go. So we got head coach already picked right there. Same thing, just head coaches. So now we're in the coaches menu. We got my coaches, and then show you real quickly the character screen. If there's Madden stop ticking, see, now we got head coach Keith Kenway, and then, you know, if you want to add a player in there, control, let's just go Denver Bronco, change rule, you can be player, owner, let's just choose player, active player, just pick somebody, there, Joe Flacco, start playing. And now we're in the player screen. You get all your players menu real quick. So and you can see it right here. You got your players, your owner, your players. So if you want 32 team. Now fun thing about this, real quick, is when you do a trade with a team that you have ownership with. So let's see, where is the stuff? Improved team, trade center. Come on, come on. I'm gonna have to edit all this. Alright, do manual trade, add player. Since we own the Browns, let's just do this. There we go. What can we get this Tampa Bay? What can Tampa Bay get with all this? So let's do Buccaneer. Draft pick, since we own both teams. Let's just show you real quickly. So wide receiver Odell Beckham Jr., right end Myles Garrett, and halfback Kareem Hunt for a 2021 7th round pick. See if it goes through. Yep. And there we go, it's Stepton. So that's pretty much the gist of it. So, real quick recap. Top right hand corner, you see R3. Make sure you hit R3. And apparently my Madden saving. There we go. Because it keeps saving. So create a new character. And then pick the roles you want. Either player, head coach, or owner. And then there you go. And once you get all 32 teams, you can trade amongst them however you want. You can take all the best players for one team and all that good stuff. And just once more to note, this is only on offline mode. This is not for the cloud mode. So, and that's it. And be sure to hit a like, comment, suggestion. Got any question? I try to answer everybody's question as quick as possible, as fast as possible. And peace out, and yeah.